Okay.
Ready? Okay, good. Well, hi, I'm Sarah Jones, and I have a really cool dog. He likes to run around a little bit, but he's easy to train. Watch this. Watch. Come. Come here. He's a little distracted right now. Hold on. Here we go. And for my last trick,